Okay, Duane, this is Predator number 2. They're stamped on the bottom, little small stamp. Okay, I'm not going to have to go over that same speech, but I'm just to remind you, if you take the end off this carburetor to change cams, warranty's gone. It's going to be tuned for sea level to about 2,000 feet. Then any correction you made will be made right here and right there. This is the mixture, and you know which way it goes to be lean and which way it goes to be rich. That's your only adjustment. You're not going to get any more or any less out of it right there, especially for what you're doing. Probably, 10 grand or less RPM on a mud bogger. But you also know if you don't have one of these on it, you're not going to win, because we built these things for everything from Bigfoot. We had, I think, 3 or 4 of them on Bigfoot that we got off that truck. But that's what it takes to win right here. But here we go. Yeah, you got the same thing here. The whole interior of these things is wrecked. That's caused by excessive pressure on the throttle plates, the bottom plates. They're all bent and twisted. These shafts may be twisted, we don't know. But that's what caused all that high idle. Interior leaks, bent parts, the throttle plates misaligned, bent, tore up. But that's what it's going to take. Okay, this one here is at the end.